Dustin Tibbetts here, financial advisor with Jazz Wealth Managers. We specialize in managing retirement accounts and helping you keep your dough straight. Basically, anything that touches your money, we can help you with in addition to your retirement investments. Well, some of those retirement investments are 401ks that you have from previous employers. Let's face it, 401ks are not that flexible. They're a little bit of a pain. So from time to time, we get questions from people that say, hey, I want to roll it over, man. Help me out. Let's talk about that. The first thing you want to be sure of is, can you even roll that 401k over to an IRA or whatever you decide? If you're still working at that job, then you're more than likely not going to be able to take the money while you're still employed legally. See, most of the companies that offer 401ks do not offer the ability for you to take the money while you're still employed. There is a very, very small fraction of companies that do. But in most cases, if you're still employed there, then the best bet for you is to keep your 401k at your employer. If you've already left that job, then we need to just double check, make sure you have left the job. It's not the day you left the job. We need some time to pass, and then we'll go ahead and get started rolling over that 401k. The next thing you want to do is choose where you want to move that account to, the type of account you want to move it to, and then open that account first. So for example, let's say you have a 401k at your previous employer. You now know that you want to move it to an IRA. That's your decision. You've talked to somebody, you've done some research, and you want to move that 401k to an IRA. Well, the next thing you want to do is actually go to that company that you've chosen. Hopefully you'll consider us, but go to that company and open the account first before you do anything with the 401k. Now, if you've chosen Jazz Wealth or you're considering Jazz Wealth, click up here and you can watch a video on how we get paid. Very simple, we're very transparent, no games or gimmicks. The reason we do this is because you've got to tell the 401k company where you want them to send your investments to. You have to have that account open. So we always start there. Now, the second thing I want you to do is make the new company do all the work for you. Be lazy, right? If you're going to give these people business or you're going to give us business, make us do the work for it, right? The way we're going to do this is we're going to get a 401k distribution form from your existing company. We may need that from you. We may need you to call and actually get that started. But once we have that, we'll fill everything out, put your new account number, new everything on there, get you to sign it, and we'll send it off to them and they'll take care of the rest. The point is, don't leave any room for mistake. If you've got a new company and they're willing to do business with you, let them do all the work. Once you have the funds rolled over, typically what they'll do is actually just take them from the 401k company and mail it directly to your new account. Sometimes what they do is mail a check to you in your name, care of your new account. If they do that, then just go ahead and send it on to the new company. You have about 60 days to do that, so be sure you do that pretty quickly. But for the most part, they should actually just send everything over to your new account and you'll get a notification saying that the transfer has been complete. From that point, if you're managing that IRA yourself, it's time to start choosing some investments. If you're using someone like us, then, well, now we're gonna start choosing the investments and make sure we have everything for you. But with one catch, we're gonna force you to contribute to your IRA just like you used to with your 401k. See, when you had that 401k, the money came out of your account automatically. You didn't even think about it. Actually, the money came out of your check automatically. That's how I should say it. You didn't even think about it, right? You just did it. You chose an amount and you contributed. Well, now that you have an IRA, nobody's really gonna make you take money and put it in there if you don't want to. Well, we gotta get back on track. That chunk of money you have in your 401k was only built because you automatically contributed and the time just passed. So with Jazz Wealth, we have a bunch of different features of how you can automatically contribute. We're gonna make sure you do that because that's what's gonna keep you going through good times and bad. Market drops, you'll keep contributing. The market goes up, you'll keep contributing. You can't just randomly think about it and contribute to your new IRA. So be consistent. You need a guy to help push you to be consistent. I'm your guy. Well, that's basically it. It's pretty straightforward, and like I said, if you're choosing a new company to manage that IRA for you once you roll the 401k over, make them do all the work. Piece of cake. All we'll need is a signature from your side and maybe a couple extra forms here and there, but we'll take care of it for you. Well, I hope you liked that video, and if so, then there may be another one up there that you're interested in. If you're thinking of opening or transferring a retirement account from somewhere else, click our logo over here and that'll take you to our website to get started. or you can then click Chat with Jazz, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon.